Hello, in this video we're going to consider the past paper May 2025 analysis and approaches high-level paper 1 questions. Let's start with the question number 1. We're given the function and this function is given, and the graph of this function has local minimum at the point, and we have to find the value p and q. Okay, so since it says about the minimum, we have to find the derivative. We know that derivative at some point equals 0 leads to the stationary points, either minimum or maximum. So that's why let's find the derivative of this function first, minus 16x, and then we're making derivative. So 4 over 3, and derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. I will write this way first, negative minus 16. So it's 3x squared minus 16. Okay, so we have 4x squared minus 16. And since we said that it should be equal to 0, we have to equate this expression by 0. Okay, so after this we have to solve for x. We have to find the value of x. We can divide both sides by 4 to simplify. Okay, and now for example, use the formula of difference of squares, plus 2, then x will be equal to 2 and x will be equal to negative 2. Okay, now it's time for sign diagram to understand which is what point is minimum and what point is maximum. So we're placing these two numbers here and then checking the signs by plugging the numbers from the interval into the derivative function. So here we have to plug this value somewhere here. So this is the best option because it is easier to calculate and understand the sign of the derivative at the interval. So for example, we are considering this interval from 2 to infinity, and let's take number 5 for example. If we will plug 5 here instead of x, we will get positive number, right? So 5 minus 2 times 5 plus 2 is positive number, so plus. Then if we will put 0 from the interval in the middle, we will get a negative sign, right? We will get negative sign, minus, and then similarly plus. Okay, so the function is decreasing in this interval and then increasing in the interval from 2. So it means that the point x is equal to 2 is a minimum point. Okay, so that's how we got the point of p. So we have to find the p and q, right? P and q, and p is already found, so we have a point with 2 and something here for y coordinate. Okay, how to find the y coordinate now? We know that the function is given here at this expression, and now we have to plug 2 here instead of x to find the value of y of the point given, of point of minimum. So let me copy this function first. F of x is equal to 4x cubed over 3 minus 16x. Okay, and now we are going to plug the 2. We have plug 2 instead of x here. 2 everywhere is 2, yeah? So f of 2 is equal to 4 times 2 cubed over 3 minus 16 times 2. Okay, so now let's calculate. Let's simplify now. We have 32 over 3 minus 32, yeah, and then that's how we will get negative 64 over 3. Okay, so now the point is 2 and negative 64 over 3. So this is the final answer. That's how you will get full 5 marks. Pretty clear and easy question. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. I'll be happy to answer all the questions that you're asking me, and that's how I understand your gaps and what type of video I should make to help you students to understand the math. Let's make math easier together. Subscribe, join my other social media accounts, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.